Hello everyone, welcome to Global Disaster News. An earthquake of 4.8 magnitude felt in Arusi, Indonesia. Depth of this earthquake is 22.5 km and this earthquake felt on Wednesday, March 30, 2022. Local time is 5:06 p.m. Nearby towns and cities: 137 km north and east of Tual, 190 km south and east of Mas, 259 km south and west of Nabire. Weather at epicenter at time of quake: broken clouds, 28.3 degrees centigrade, humidity is 76%, and wind is 6 meters per second from west. Primary data source is United States Geological Survey. Estimated release energy from this quake is 278 megawatt hours, which is equivalent to 239 tons. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more updates about earthquake.